Okay, so I've got these dirty girls from my makeup box, and I gotta clean this. And I have this beauty blender and all my brushes from Sigma, as well as my fan brush from Morphe. So I usually clean this using a baby wash or a baby shampoo before, but I found it really hard to clean the brushes, especially when I use this for foundation that is really so pigmented. And as you could see and you could tell that this has been so dirty. So kailangan ko siyang i-clean. And what I found out is this is more effective than the baby wash. So this is the Dawn Ultra, or pwede na rin siguro sa Pilipinas yung Joy Ultra. Nakatapat ng Dawn Ultra. Ang tawag kasi sa States, Dawn Ultra. And let's find out, or I will prove to you na mas effective siya. Although, syempre, you will wonder if magmumukhang pinggan ba yung face natin pag ginamit natin to. Sana hindi, di ba? Pero kailangan lang natin sigurong dalawang maigi. And then, some people puts this sponge into the microwave. Tapos, sinusoak sa baking soda with water para mas maging clean. I also do it like put some baking soda with water or baking soda solution, and then binababad ko siya para mawala yung amoy, yung extra dirt. So, come on. Let's clean it up. So, ito yung gamit ko na brush pad. Then, I'll just have to put some Dawn solution. And you will see na talagang nawawala yung foundation. So, yan, konting ano mo lang, tatanggal na. Unlike dun sa baby shampoo or baby wash, ang tagal matanggal. So, ayan. Yes na kulay. And then, ito yun na. Ang difference. Ito may natitira pa. Try natin tanggalin pa ulit. Minsan talagang makapit yung foundation. And yung mga concealers. Ayan. Okay, so let's move on to this brush na F80 from Sigma, yung flat kabuki. Kitang-kita nyo naman, diba? Tanggal agad. Dun sa baby wash, nakailang ulit na ako ng pagbabanlaw, pagsabon ulit, and then another round of that. Ang tagal mawala. So, yun. Diba? Kitang-kita naman ninyo kung gaano kalinis agad or nawala agad yung kulay compared dito. Tapos, ibabad lang natin sa baking soda para mawala yung parang consciousness na, alam mo yon, na ginamit natin yung panghugas ng plato. Baka mag-isip kayo na baka magmukhang plato yung mga face natin, diba? Why not? Kung porcelana ba, diba? So, ayan. I'm just cleaning all my brushes. And then, babalikan ko po kayo. So, let's do it again. This time, pangalawang round. Pero if you can see, the brushes are already clean. Pero may mga iba na naiwan. So, kailangan nating ulitin. Pero, looking at it, it's looking, well, I could say na clean na siya. As well as this one, yung beauty blender. So, i-rinse lang natin siya. Then, let it dry for overnight. And then, pwede mo na siyang gamitin. And, i-rinse mo pa siya ulit ng maigi para mawala yung sabon. Then, if you're planning to soak this in the baking soda and water solution, then do it. Just make sure na dry na yung brushes before you use it, or wala siyang na-absorb na baking soda dun sa brush. Ang ayoko lang sa beauty blender is that nagkakaroon siya ng mga butas-butas. Ito. Oops. Yan. Nagkakaroon siya ng ganyan. Kahit iwasan mo, or kahit ingatan mo ng paglilinis or pag-wash. Ano pa siyang sabon? Maaksaya lang sa tubig, pero you have to be extra strong when you squeeze it out. So, ito po, yung malinis na brushes natin. So, I just have to wipe off the excess water dun sa mga bristles. Pipigaan. Yun ang advantage ng kabuki set. Kapag tinatamad akong maglinis ng brushes, ito, foundation brush ko rin siya tsaka concealer. Minsan pang contour. So, pag wala akong magamit, ito malinis naman to siya. Dahil nagamit ko na siya yesterday. So, ito naman siya. So, Wednesday ito naman. Tapos, Thursday ito naman. Friday ito naman. Kasi na ba yung isang brush? 5 to eh. So, anyway. 2, 4. Pagkulang pa mga to. So, yun. That's it. Just have to clean it all the time para ma-prevent din yung skin natin from getting pimples because we put makeup on, sari-saring chemicals, tapos just make sure na lahat ng tools natin is malinis, kamay natin malinis whenever we apply makeup. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching and see you guys next time.